afternoon, students. And so today we're going to talk about how ChatGPT can help you create a good, solid thesis statement. So when I teach, as the thesis statement unit, I always tell students that as long as they follow the thesis statement formula that I teach them, then they will be able to create a good thesis statement. A thesis statement is the main idea of your essay, where you summarize the content of your body paragraphs in one sentence, and then you place the thesis statement at the end of your introduction and at the beginning of your conclusion. And so when you place your thesis statement, or the main idea of your essay, at the end of the introduction, that's called a funnel introduction paragraph. And then when you place your thesis statement at the beginning of your conclusion paragraph, that's known as a summary conclusion paragraph. So once you have a good thesis statement, then it's like a roadmap to your paper. And I've written this many, many times in the forums for my students. So much so that after they take my class, students have memorized the thesis statement is the last sentence of the introduction. I've had many students tell me that's what they remember, like it's ringing in their heads forever. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with a solid thesis statement that follows the thesis statement formula of a topic, opinion, reasons. As long as you have those three elements, that's how you narrow your topic, and that's how you come up with a solid thesis statement. So here, without further ado, I will go over my 5-minute lecture on how ChatGPT can help you with your thesis statement. Hey everyone, welcome back to my Professor H Writing channel. Today's topic, the mighty thesis statement. When you write a thesis statement, it sets the stage for your entire essay. Crafting a strong essay, crafting a strong thesis statement sometimes can feel like a struggle. Well, let's just say it's not easy. But fear not, essay warriors. We're here to talk about how ChatGPT, language models like ChatGPT or Gemini, can be your secret weapon for building a killer thesis statement using the topic, opinion, reasons formula that I teach in my classes. Let's break it down. Your topic is the subject of your essay. The opinion is your stance on that topic, and the reasons are the points you'll use to support your opinion. So brainstorming with AI. Now staring at a blank page for topic ideas can be brutal, but AI can help you with generating ideas. Imagine you're interested in the impact of social media on mental health. You could prompt the AI, suggest interesting topics related to the influence of social media. The AI might generate ideas like the positive effects of social media on mental health, or the negative effects of social media on mental health. Refining your focus. Once you have some ideas, you can refine your focus. Let's say you want to explore the negative effects. You could ask the AI, what are some specific ways social media can negatively impact mental health? The AI might suggest social comparison leading to feelings of inadequacy, fear of missing out, and increased anxiety, cyberbullying and its detrimental effects. Boom! Now you have a potential topic and some reasons to support your claim. Craft your opinion. With your topics and reasons in hand, you can craft your opinion. Here you could ask ChatGPT, based on these reasons, what's a strong opinion on the impact of social media? ChatGPT might suggest the widespread use of social media has a detrimental effect on mental health, particularly among young adults, due to factors like social comparison and cyberbullying. Remember, this is just a starting point. Take the AI suggestion and refine it to match your own voice and perspective. Now let's plug everything into the formula. Social media impact on mental health, that's the topic. Social media has a detrimental effect, that's the opinion, because of social comparison and cyberbullying. That's it. Now you have a strong thesis statement that uses the topic, opinion, and reasons formula. But wait, there's more. AI can help you check your thesis for clarity and conciseness. Simply copy and paste it and ask the AI to evaluate the thesis statement for clarity and conciseness. So AI models can be a fantastic tool to overcome thesis statement writer's block. Use them strategically, personalize the results, and you'll be writing A+ essays in no time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Professor H Writing channel. And so now I get to the fun part, where we actually create a thesis statement on ChatGPT. So here I will share my ChatGPT, and here is my ChatGPT, and I will share it. So let's say you're having problems coming up with a thesis statement. So coming up with a thesis statement is still the pre-writing stage of your writing. And so here I'm thinking, so what am I going to write about? What's going to be my thesis statement? So first I have to choose my topic, then I choose my opinion, and then I choose the reasons. Remember the formula: TOR, topic, opinion, thesis statement. So let's say I want to say that social media, let's get off social media, air pollution. And that would be the topic, has a detrimental effect on the environment. That's the opinion. And then let's say you haven't done your research yet, and you're like going, but what could be my 3 reasons? And then you could say, give 3 reasons why air pollution is bad for the environment. Okay, and so now ChatGPT will come up with 3 reasons. And now you've got your thesis statement. You could say air pollution, topic, has a detrimental effect on the environment. So that's the opinion, because air pollution harms ecosystems. Air pollution is a major contributor to climate change, and air pollution contributes to degrades air quality. There you go. And now you have your thesis statement. And so here you could say air pollution has a detrimental effect on the environment, effect on the environment, because it harms ecosystems. It harms ecosystems, contributes to climate change, and degrades air quality. So correct any English, and then it can also see I misspelled certain things because I was doing it too fast, and so ChatGPT can then correct that English. Now it's perfect. So if you type too fast, like I just did, then you could have ChatGPT correct your English, and so it serves as a spell check and grammar check all in one. So here you have topic, air pollution has a detrimental effect on the environment, opinion, because air pollution harms ecosystems. You got the 3 reasons, so TOR. So topic, opinion, and then the 3 reasons: harms the ecosystem, contributes to climate change, and degrades air quality. And there you go, and that's how you could use ChatGPT in order to help you with your thesis statements. Now there are many different kinds of thesis statements, and so if you want to learn about the different kinds of thesis statements, just like if you want to learn about the different kinds of essays, because what's great about ChatGPT is that it can give you examples of different kinds of thesis statements. It can give you examples of different kinds of essays. You can even ask ChatGPT, what are the different kinds of thesis statements? And then it will give you an explanation of the different kinds of thesis statements. And I go over, in other words, the different kinds of thesis statements is the same thing as different kinds of essays. And I explain that most clearly in my book, Writing in the Age of AI, ChatGPT, Unleashed by ChatGPT, on Amazon. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to Professor H Writing Channel. And if you have any questions, you can email me at any time. So have a great day.